Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing your work. Make a quick backup and note the current default search app so you can revert if needed. Once done, install or update the new search app from the official store. Next, go directly to Settings, tap Apps, and choose Default Apps. This is where the system stores the active search handler. Proceed now to select the entry labeled Search or Assist to begin assigning the new app as default. Now you assign and configure the app. Select the new search app in the Search or Assist list to make it the default. Make sure to grant required permissions like microphone, location, and storage so features work correctly. Once set, open the app itself to sign in, import preferences, and adjust voice or privacy settings. This ensures consistent results and saves searches. If the app offers integration options, enable them. Finish by testing. Try searches from the home screen widget, the browser address bar, and a voice command to confirm the new app responds everywhere. If behavior is inconsistent, go back to default apps and double-check the assignment. Alternatively, clear the new app's cache or app data and repeat the setup. Make sure battery optimizations are disabled for the search app so background assistants stay active. If problems persist, reinstall the app and repeat permissions and default selection steps to restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.